Hello and welcome to Cube Z12. Now our cube is road trip tested, but let's start with something else. The cube just looked too innocent to me, so I bought the Autotech Interior's USDM grill, customized it a bit and see for yourself.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go.
So this looks way better. But maybe you remember Cube Z2, where we have the wet trunk. Today we seal the old ceiling again to find this pressure cabin valve, this pressure cabin valve, this one, and of course the last one. Therefore we use the Spanish
Fuerza Elastica T-Rex Flex.
in white flex. This is the Übeltäter. So we had aquarium inside of the cube. Mesdames et messieurs, I try to seal the ceiling again. We need more pressure and more T-Rex Flex Fuerza Elastica. So now we can roll the dice through the countryside without any fear of rain. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Cube Z12.